This thread-like structure found in DNA can pack an astonishing 720 megabytes of data. The thread-like structure I'm referring to is called a chromosome. Chromosomes are the foundation of our genetic code and are crucial for our overall health. They are made up of DNA, which is essentially a blueprint for our bodies.
But did you know that chromosomes can also store a massive amount of data?
In fact, if we were to pack a single chromosome with data, it could store the equivalent of 720 megabytes. To put that into perspective, 720 megabytes is roughly the size of a standard CD-ROM. But how do chromosomes manage to store so much information? Well, it all comes down to the unique properties of DNA and its twisted structure. Imagine a long, thin rope twisted together to form a double helix. This twisted rope is made up of two strands of DNA that are intricately linked together. But what's really fascinating is that this double helix structure allows chromosomes to pack an enormous amount of data into a tiny space. And the best part, this data is encoded in a language that's specific to each species. But what happens when chromosomes are not properly structured? Well, it can lead to a range of genetic disorders and diseases. For instance, if a chromosome is too long or too short, it can disrupt the normal functioning of genes. And if the DNA is damaged, it can lead to mutations that can cause cancer and other diseases. But that's not the strangest part. Chromosomes also play a crucial role in the development of an embryo. In fact, the unique structure of chromosomes determines the sex of a child. But wait until you hear what comes next. Researchers have discovered that chromosomes can also influence our behavior and cognitive abilities. It's like a blueprint for our entire lives. But what exactly does this mean for us? Well, it means that our chromosomes have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. And it's not just about physical health. Chromosomes also influence our mental health and cognitive abilities. For instance, research has shown that people with certain genetic conditions are more prone to depression and anxiety. But that's not all. Chromosomes can also influence our behavior and decision-making abilities. It's like a genetic code for our entire lives. But how can we harness the power of chromosomes to improve our lives? Well, it all starts with understanding the unique properties of DNA and its twisted structure. By studying chromosomes and the genetic code, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be able to use this knowledge to develop new treatments for genetic diseases. Or maybe we'll even be able to use it to enhance our cognitive abilities and behavior. The possibilities are endless, but that's a topic for another video. For now, let's just appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of chromosomes. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about chromosomes. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.